Welcome guys, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I put this screen out just so that you can see my name. A lot of the times people get confused with what I'm saying because either I'm speaking too fast or I just mess up my words. So I apologize for that. I'm trying to get more slow videos done so that you can understand me and my voice doesn't get boring and puts you to sleep. I hope it doesn't. If it does and you like the way I'm presenting these videos to you guys, I want you to do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button below because it'll definitely give me a boost and it'll help me make more videos and content for you guys. I'm going to be putting out a lot more this year, and I want you to be involved and incorporated in this journey that I'm on when it comes to cryptocurrency, when it comes to a lot of things that I'm doing. As I say on my profile on Facebook, I'm a positive thinker and lifestylepreneur. This journey that we're on is to have a better lifestyle. So whether it's cryptocurrency, whether it's marketing online, it all is towards a better lifestyle that I want for myself, my family, and my future. Okay, so let's go ahead and share with you a little bit of what I want to call a quiz. Well, it's not really a quiz, guys. I'm going to talk to you about the market right now. So the crash, how is it affecting you? How is this Bitcoin crash mania affecting you? Let me know in the comments below, because I know that a lot of people are freaking out that the price of Bitcoin has dropped from the beginning of the year 17,000 and now it's the end of the month, almost the end of the month, and it's just 10,100 right now. Might have been a change. Let's check on that. Yes, it's gone to 10,300, so that's a good thing. Okay, price is going up a bit when it comes to Bitcoin, but there's still a crash. Okay, there's a bloodbath everywhere. Okay, how are you going to change this? Okay, what are you going to do? Are you freaking out? If you are, let me know in the comments, and I want to help you. Okay, I have a smile on my face. Okay, because when I see this red everywhere, I see a sale on all the coins. Okay, I really see a big sale on all the coins, and it's not a normal phenomenon that this happens. Okay, it's not every day that this happens, that the coins drop almost 15 to 20%, especially Bitcoin dropped 20% yesterday, and today is 12%. So you know, it depends. It really depends on how things are going for you, or for the coin, sorry, for the marketplace, and what are the big whales that are moving around. You have to understand, guys, that the marketplace when it comes to cryptocurrency is still a young marketplace. It's not a big many year old marketplace that exists. It's pretty young. So because it's young, it's definitely affected by a lot of things, especially the big whales in the industries. So we hope that that doesn't, after a certain point, considering now that 16 million Bitcoins have been mined so far, there is a limited supply that's going on, and well, definitely things start to stabilize because of it. Okay, but let me get into this specific strategy and how you can still earn. This video is basically about how you can still earn when there's a crash, right? The marketplace is crashing. How can you still earn? So I'm going to go to my Facebook for a second, my profile, and I want you to have a look at something. So yesterday I had firstly a training on this strategy itself. Okay, it's called a micro profit system. It's going to be in the brackets of this video, so you can see. If you want to know more about the micro profit system and have a free tour of the membership website that teaches you this, there's going to be a link in the description. Okay, you can check out the video, you can go through it and see whether it's best for you. But I want to show you this. So you can see 16th of January. Today is the 17th of January. Hopefully I put this video out on time. But today is the 17th of January, right? 17th of January, and yesterday was still a bloodbath. Okay, if I go to cryptocurrency market and I put last 24 hours, you will still see that it was like this. Okay, I mean, you will still see the craziness of the market. It's crazy what all you can find here. So it's still going to be that way, right? And this was yesterday, was the same kind of situation. Like if I go to Bitcoin, okay, and I just show you guys as of yesterday. So let's do week or 1 day, so you guys can see. And you can see on this is 17th of January, so that's yesterday. It was still at a price of 12,000, and then it dropped down to 11,000, and then it went it went right down to 9,000 and then went back up to 11,000. So there has been a crazy up and down tendency when it comes to Bitcoin and the marketplace. But I still was able to make 1, 2, 6 trades. I was still able to make 6 trades. And you may ask yourself, how the hell has been happening? In fact, I said everywhere there's panic because it's red. It's red all over the place. And people are literally panicking. And this strategy that we have, okay, this strategy that we have in iCoinPro, which is where I'm going to come into, okay, iCoinPro is a website, it's a membership website that we teach about cryptocurrency. Okay? Everything is educational about cryptocurrency. So it's your source for education, information, and training on everything cryptocurrency. And the main thing is, even if you go to iCoinPro training right now, you know, I'm not into the website, right? I've not gone into the website. There's something called the micro profit system. Now, the micro profit system that we have, and this is just a snippet of it, guys, it allows you to capitalize on even these trends of a crashing, strange crashing market. Okay, you can still make gains here and there. You will still find the dips here and there. You will still find those profits, those micro profits, as we're talking about. So what was I able to do yesterday? I was able to make 6 trades, and instead of going and doing like most of the people I know, at least, who are trading and just trading when it's a bull market, what happens when it's a bear market? They get scared and don't trade at all. They move their funds to USDT. Instead, I traded and I reaped the benefits of trading. Okay, I reap the benefits of trading. The same thing I did today. Now, how am I doing this? Guys, I have to put out this income disclaimer. iCoinPro and its trainers provide an informational service only and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are not guarantees of future income. No, guys, okay, they're not guarantees. Any investment contains risk and is 100% responsibility of the investor to assess the risks or rewards involved. It is possible to lose some or all of your investment. We assume no liability, okay, assumed or implied, for your application of the information shared in the training program. So iCoinPro will basically teach you, educate you, and then you can go ahead and make those trades and profit on this downtrending market as well. Okay, so I was literally smiling while everyone was crying around the place because of the fact that I was making these micro profits. So what I'm going to do is, if you want to know more about this micro profit system, more than that, we just launched something that is called a trade finder. Okay, now the trade finder is basically a software that allows me to find these trades, and then using our strategy, you can't just find the trades and make the trades. It alerts you using the strategy, and we take then the strategy and implement it further by using the micro profit system. So I'm going to leave a link below in the description of this video where you can go ahead and check out the micro profit system, see whether it's for you. But in a market like this, when it's a bloody market, okay, the difficulty for you to profit is definitely there, and a lot of people will be scared. So when you hear different traders talk about, hey, I'm making this much amount, this much amount, this much amount, this much amount, and you question them. Okay, you need to question them because it's a bull market. But if it's a bear market, it's a downtrending market, you need to then see who's making those small increments and then trust those traders more than the others, because those traders who are trading will trade in a down market or in an up market. Traders don't worry about what kind of a market it is. If you have the right strategy, you're able to trade in any market. And this is what the micro profit system allows us to do. So I just wanted to let you guys know that even though the crash is here, it is possible to accumulate more Bitcoin. It is possible to make those trades. It is possible to get positive returns in a downtrending market. If you want to know more, link is in the description. Hit the subscribe button, guys, if you enjoy the content. I'm just giving you the information, and I want to show you guys some proof always when I'm talking about this, because it's really important for me to give you guys the proof that it is happening. Okay, it is happening. I'm a real person. I live in the Czech Republic. I'm pretty much an okay guy. You can come, you can come and find me on Facebook, and I will talk to you more about myself and let you know a little bit more about what things, what is happening. But if you want to get interested in trading, this is the way to go. Have a great day, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. Enjoy this bloodbath. If you're not enjoying it, then you know how to get and what strategy to get, what information you need in order for you to start generating these kind of sales, okay, or these kind of trades. Sorry, I'm so used to talking about marketing, guys, that I say sales, but I mean trades, okay? Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams.